Advanced Instagram marketing tips from the experts. Everybody wants to have an advantage when it comes to marketing. What with all the new marketers flooding the scene all the time, but very few are actually able to develop an effective strategy that leads them to the top. And boy, let us tell you that developing such a strategy is one painful process that requires lots of trial and error. That is why in this video, we are going to give you our top 10 list of flawless, proven, and foolproof advanced Instagram marketing strategies. Snap photos using apps other than Instagram itself. While it is true that Instagram's own photo capturing feature is powerful enough to let you post great-looking visual content in record time, it is also true that its set of functionalities can be pretty limiting. That is why we and other successful Instagram experts recommend you to develop your photos using third-party apps. Apps that will allow you to take pictures, edit them, and then save them to your gallery so you can later use them on Instagram. Most dedicated photo-taking apps will offer you simple-to-use yet powerful features like advanced camera controls, more varied filters and presets, simplified photo publishing interfaces, curated Instagram asset galleries, and other professional-grade content. Shoot videos using apps other than Instagram itself. Just like its photo editing feature, Instagram's built-in video recording capabilities are very limiting as well when it comes to marketing. That is why we recommend you to use a third-party app to film your videos as well, as you will be able to import them to Instagram from your device's gallery anyway. Dedicated video recording applications that will allow you to edit videos in real time and to produce effects like time-lapses, transitions, and hyperlapses, which is simply not possible on Instagram alone. Also, you won't need to use a separate video editing software to do the magic. Use shortened URLs in your profile. Your bio URL is more likely clicked by users if it is shortened. A great way to optimize your profile's URL is by shortening it with a link shortening service. For that, we recommend you to use the Bitly service, which is free and works great. Go to the Bitly URL in your browser to shorten your website's URL. You can always go back to your site's Bitly page to track the number of visits that your site is getting through Instagram, basically using it as a backlink as well as a tracking pixel. Use an optional platform for organizing contests. Instagram and contests go together just like bread and butter, and we recommend you to use dedicated web-based platforms such as wishpond.com for organizing, scheduling, and running contests on your Instagram business account. Such web-based platforms specialize in sweepstakes, photo contests, and Instagram hashtag contests, among other types of contests, making it way easier for you to manage and run awesome traffic-building contests. Cross-promote other businesses. It is quite common to see companies cross-promoting their products or services. Cross-promotions occur when a group of companies promote each other's products and offers, and it works great when these companies are from similar industries. To give you an example, a health-oriented company can promote the products offered by a new supplier, marketing how good their products are and how beneficial they can be for its followers. The supplier can then promote the health company's content among its followers, which will in turn foster cross-promoting. Use Instagram's search feature to research trending topics. Paying attention to recent events, days in the calendar, popular Instagram accounts, trending hashtags, and your imagination to promote your products, even if they're not related to the trending topics, is a great way to leverage traffic generated by high-converting keywords. Get your followers' email addresses to expand your communication channels. Getting people's emails without being intrusive or having your intentions misinterpreted is easy when you give people something in exchange, such as free support material related to your offers. The best way to achieve this is by creating a landing page and post it on your Instagram feed, offering your followers an ebook or any other serialized material. They can then sign up to your mailing list and receive content that is different to what they would be fed on Instagram. Create your own shareable content. It is safe to say that creating viral content is not easy, and even when you create something with all the right ingredients to go viral, there's actually a slim chance of it actually spreading virally. Because remember, stuff goes viral by random chance most of the time. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't try. And Instagram is a great platform to try everything, from stop-motion animations and funny videos featuring your products can be easily shareable, even if they don't go viral the first few times. The idea is for you to keep developing ideas with the potential of reaching people beyond your followers. Encourage competitiveness among your followers and other users. Encourage your followers to participate on creative activities that are not contests from time to time. If you are a fitness retailer, for example, you can encourage them to post pictures of themselves during a marathon. If you are a cook, encourage your followers to inspire you. This strategy is all about further creating a sense of community, about creating a sense of playfulness and competition between people in your audience. Your most creative and most energetic followers will be pleased by this, and in turn will drive traffic to your account if only to show off. Work with Instagram influencers. Instagram influencers are an established trend in the industry, with the most vocal of Instagram users creating a wide audience that considers them influencers. They can easily promote your products or services and help you to reach a bigger audience in record time. Think of Instagram influencers as social media celebrities that will sponsor your products. With an audience in the millions, this is perhaps the most effective way to make your business grow super fast if you can afford it.